Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a great Caesar dressing for a simple Caesar salad. It's my kids' absolute favorite salad. It's creamy, it's loaded with Parmesan cheese, and so simple to make. Let's get started. Here I have an empty bowl. To that I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. I always add all the ingredients in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media, the links are gonna be in the description box below. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And you can add yellow mustard if you don't have Dijon mustard. Half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 grated clove of garlic. 1 the juice of half a lemon. 1 touch of black pepper and a touch of salt. 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Mix all the ingredients together very well, and then I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil, about 1/4 cup. Gradually, I'm not gonna add them all at once, while whisking. Traditionally, Caesar salad has anchovies, but the kids don't like anchovies, that's why I chose not to add any anchovies. Which is basically a small fish that's gonna add some saltiness and some more flavor to the dressing. But we're not gonna add any this time. It's perfectly flavorful and great the way it is. And remember, the dressing should be seasoned just right. It needs to have a lot of flavor. And the dressing is now ready. All I have to do is cut up some lettuce, fresh, clean lettuce. Add as little or as much as you want from the dressing and try to mix it very well, because it's a thick dressing. You want it to get into all the pieces of lettuce. And this is how I'm gonna serve it. I plate and I add some shaved Parmesan cheese, some freshly ground black pepper, some crispy croutons, I'm gonna make this Parmesan crisp to go on top of the Caesar salad. It's gonna add so much more crunch and flavor. I'm gonna toast it until it becomes crispy for 2 to 3 minutes. And this is what you're gonna end up with, a crispy Parmesan circle that I'm gonna top the Caesar salad with and serve. This is gonna be great. The kids are gonna love this salad. I can't wait to serve it. I hope you give this salad a try, and until next time, bon appetit!